Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, 2013. The market opened up this morning here at 1616.50, represented by this white dotted line. We generally don't trade from 9:30 to 9:45. It's just a period of higher volatility. There's a couple exceptions to that time frame. In this particular case, we had what's called a pro-range reversal right here. We shorted it real quick for 4 ticks. It's only a 4-tick trade. It's basically a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio in that particular case. Working our way up to the first reversal zone. We had a reversal zone, but we stayed close to opening price. We generally don't trade within 1 point of opening price. Had a nice little pullback. Continued, nice opportunity to enter. You notice our trigger chart was firing off short. Got our first target off easy. And the second target, we were short just by 1 tick. And then it bounced up against us, lost 5 ticks on that particular trade. Continuing on, price action worked its way back above our moving average into the opening price. Again, we don't notice the sideways chop. We don't want to really be playing with that. Ran right into the no trade zone at that point. From 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Again, we're operating on lower volume today, no news reports, and the no trade zones are our black and white guideline as to when we do and when we don't trade. However, when you have a trade set up, I mean, this is such a clean setup here long. The anchor charts were in our favor, momentum was in our favor, the sentiment was in our favor, and also the clock was in our favor. Had to get in right here at about 1:09. So we're about 6 minutes from the end of the no trade zone. I only took 8 ticks on that, but it really ran up to the full profit potential of 10 ticks, and then the whole time frame that this sideways movement here, we were watching for a 1621.50. It hit it right to a tick. We came across our 2 o'clock time frame, which we don't want to be holding any long positions, and another opportunity for a pullback trade for a total of 8 ticks to the downside. Now, this pullback, it was only barely 2 points. If the market was to run higher into the close, we would have expected at least a 5-point pullback down to this little rectangular area. Since we only had a 2-point pullback, I did not expect much further run to the upside and expected sideways chop into the close. And that's exactly what we got. So again, remember, after that 2 o'clock time frame, we like to see at least a pullback in order for the market to rise into the close. If you don't get that pullback, then you will tend to see either a sideways chop or a reversal. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the TraderShark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, have a great evening, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.